Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Because that's what cool people do. No being dragged places. It's blurry. Is it blurry? No, I think it's okay. It's probably blurry. No being dragged places, guys. It was an odd sound. I thought it was raining. I was like, that's not right. It's sunny out. Anyway, it's gonna be dragged places. Go down. Go down to Ammanford. Going to town. There we go. I don't know if you can hear it, but the ice cream truck just went off, and it scared the crap out of me, because I just bent down, and then it went off, and I thought it was a phone. I was like, that's not my phone. Alex's phone's not up here. So that scared the crap out of me. That ice cream truck, I swear, is like demonic or something. Not because it keeps scaring me, but because it's just, I don't like it. It bothers me, and it's like, I don't know, it just seems weird. It just randomly goes off, and it seems like it's always in the same spot. And it's like, weird, creepy things are like going through my mind about it. Like, what if it was like, it does that to call children to it, and then it like kidnaps kids or something. Like, sounds a little bit too much like Ice Cream Man, but I'm like, I'm gonna write a pasta about that, but I'm sure I get people really just copying Ice Cream Man.
No, get back. You.
She was crouching with her butt not touching the floor. Get him, Jules, get him! Get him! Get him!
You. Get him. Get him.
You're so lazy, Jules. Does he taste good?
Got your mouth?
You know I don't like that. We made a cake, guys. Not exactly. Well, it's not done yet, but Alex, I got this one. You get this part. Alex has the bowl.
It's peanut butter cake.
I think he likes the frosting. The recipe said 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. We had to add in like almost a cup of milk to get it to be spreadable, because otherwise it was like cookie dough, literally. So, but I think it's turned out okay. Got stuff to do, man. Stuff to do. Preview. Alex, I'm tired.
Me too.
Can we go to bed now?
No. Okay.
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 Good night, guys.
Good night.
Wake up. So make me tickle you with my cold hands. here's your outro for this, you guys. Oh, even though he's pretending to be asleep.
Yeah, no.
See? We hope that you all have a wonderful night / morning / whatever it is, wherever you are. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.